How do you filter pandas data frames by multiple columns? To filter a data frame, df, by a single column, if we consider data with male and females we might. Question 1. But what if the data spanned multiple years and I wanted to only see males for 2014? In other languages I might do something like, except I want to do this and get a subset of the original data frame in the new data frame object. Question 2. How do I do this in a loop and create a data frame object for each unique sets of year and gender, i.e. a df4, 2013 male, 2013 female, 2014 male, and 2014 female?
Using an operator, don't forget to wrap the substatements with. To store your data frames in a dict using a for loop. A demo for your gets.
Start from pandas 0.13, this is the most efficient way.
In case somebody wonders what is the faster way to filter, the accepted answer or the one from @ReadDreamality. Results for 100,000 rows. Results for 10 million rows. So results depend on the size and the data. On my laptop, query gets faster after 500k rows. Further, the string search in year equals 2014 has an unnecessary overhead. Year equals 2014 is faster.
For more general Boolean functions that you would like to use as a filter and that depend on more than one column, you can use where f is a function that is applied to every pair of elements, x1, x2, from col_1 and col_2 and returns true or false depending on any condition you want on x1, x2.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.